We'll guide you through how to fix cellular data not working on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can be annoying, as it then means you can't go and access and use the internet without being connected to Wi-Fi. First of all, open the control center by dragging down on your battery. Go to the top left here and click and hold on this set panel here and find cellular data. Make sure that it's switched on. If it's off, tap on it to turn it on. But also, if it's on, tap on it to turn it off for a few seconds, and then tap it again to go and turn it back on. Now go and see if it's working. If it is, then great. If it still isn't, come and open up your settings. Go down and find the option for General, and scroll to the bottom. Go and find Transfer or Reset iPhone, and then go down again and tap Reset. And what you want to do is tap Reset Network Settings. So I'll just go into my passcode here, and you'll get a confirmation. After you've done that, see if the problem is solved. Hopefully it is. If it still isn't, it's worth getting in contact with your carrier to see if there's any problem on their end, and make sure you've got plenty of data left in your plan